Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to convert from CSV to JSON. We're going to open our text editor. This is our CSV. You can see that everything is there. We have the true ID, the pop ref, the species, the diameter, the S and Y. So we are going to create a Python file. So we are going to import CSV and JSON. We're going to open and read CSV file. So in order to read what is in the reader, you need to create a for loop. Let's print and see. So this is whatever that's in our CSV file. So right now you can go ahead and append it to the data. That's the empty list over here. So that's data.append. So I'm going to copy this, paste it in here. So this is the first row. This is the second row. Now let's print out data and see what you're going to get. You can see it's just like a JSON like view over here. So yeah, so from here we are going to write into a JSON file. We are going to give it 4. In my case, awesome. So we have our new JSON over here. So this our JSON. We have finally gotten our JSON. So thanks guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.